Hey guys, hope everyone's doing all right today. In this video, I'm going to share with you one strategy that you can use this week to help make over $8,000 every single week. That is, you need to be a consultant or a coach. That is probably the easiest way to do it. And there's other ways that you can do it. You can become an affiliate, if you will, with ClickBank, with JVZoo, all this kind of stuff. You can learn all the various different types of software. You can learn how to build webinars and automate it and all this kind of stuff. But really, at the end of the day, you have to have your own product or service to sell. That's what all these guys are doing. That's Richard Paul in the back there, millionaire. And in his video, he talks about how to make $8,000 every single day. And you got to go and watch this presentation and all this kind of stuff. And I'm like, man, that's so complicated. People are making it so complicated. And whenever you watch a video, it's always like, okay, this is how you could do it. And then they go, oh, you got to buy this and all this kind of stuff. And really, at the end of the day, you have to be a strategist. You have to be someone that can help people solve their problems. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one strategy that you can do this week, especially if you're a consultant or you're a coach. Maybe you're thinking about making a transition from a job that you have. Maybe it's because of the pandemic and you're like, man, how do you make extra money during a pandemic? How do I make an extra $4,000 a month, $8,000 a month, $16,000 a month? Or maybe you're thinking, man, I just want an extra $500 a month. That's it. So here's what you do. And I've mentioned this in other videos. You need to create a YouTube channel and you need to be comfortable enough to upload videos. Now, you don't have to show your face. I show my face because I've nothing to hide. That doesn't mean that you have something to hide if you don't show your face. Okay, let's be clear. Some people find it easy just to use stock footage and put it over with their voice. That's fine too. That's very popular. It's a very popular niche right now. So create a YouTube channel and then create a Zoom account. It's free. And create Calendly. That's a calendar software. It's free as well. So what you do is you link your Zoom to your Calendly. I can never get that name right. Calendly. It's so silly. It's a silly name, really, at the end of the day. It's a tongue twister. But book your calendar link with Zoom. And then what you do is you add that in your description, exactly what I've done here. And you book a strategy session with whoever is interested in what you have to say or offer on your phone. So just like this, I'm making a simple video. It's real quick. So you link those together. And then if you have a product or service, especially if you're a coach or a consultant, then what they do is they click on that link and they book an appointment somewhere later in the week. And for me, I have it set up over the next 5 to 10 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. From 1 till 5, I jump on the phone, I do a presentation. It's a bit of a Q&A. It's my own stuff. And I just ask some questions where they're at. So if they're making $4,000 with their job, I give them strategies, advice, tips, all this kind of stuff on how to make extra money doing this exact same thing that I'm showing you. And then at the end of the presentation, excuse me, a little parched this morning. Then at the end of the presentation, I make them an offer to work with me. If they don't want to work with me, they just say no. No harm, no foul. But your goal should be to get people to say yes or no every single day. That's your goal. If you can do that, you have a chance to generate some income. And that's how I do it. So I'll put the link below if you want to book a strategy session with me. It's 45 minutes. It's absolutely free. And yes, at the end, I'm going to make you an offer, but you can say no. But the idea behind this is to show you exactly what I do. So I make a YouTube channel. I create a calendar link. I connect it with my Zoom. And then I put those booking links in my description for every video that I make. That way, if somebody likes the video and it makes sense to them, they'll click on the link, they'll book a time somewhere later in the week over the next 2 weeks. I jump on the phone with them, or I jump on a Zoom call with them, share with them the strategies that I use to put this all together, and then how I generate $8,000 every single week. And this is exactly what you should do. If you don't know how to do that, that's why we jump on a call. If you know how to do this and you're thinking about, man, how can I get on the phone with people? This is how you do it. This is the secret sauce. It's not complicated. 3 things. YouTube. Create a YouTube channel. Get used to talking in front of your phone, in front of your camera. Create a calendar link, connect it to your Zoom, and then get people to book. Now you don't chase anybody. You don't have to chase anybody, which is nice. If they don't want to work, that's fine. There's another person that is willing to do the work with you. And that's it. So simple. All right, I hope that helps. Please feel free to comment. I enjoy reading any of the comments. This is a brand new YouTube channel. If you have any questions, let me know as well. See you later. Bye.